Tired of guessing how your product review emails look before sending? You set up your Hostinger site, you add your products, you get the review prompts configured, but you have no idea what your customers are actually going to see when that email hits their inbox. It feels pretty risky, right? Well, you can preview them instantly in Hostinger with this exact workflow I am about to show you. No more crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. So here's the plan. I am going to walk you through the Hostinger website builder step by step and show you exactly where to click to find, preview, and even interact with those product review emails. By the time we are done, you will be able to see exactly what your customers see before you ever hit publish. Let us jump into the builder. Alright, first things first, go ahead and open up your website builder in Hostinger. You will land on the main editor screen where you build your pages. Now take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You see that shopping cart icon? It looks like a little shopping basket. Click on that. This is where all your e-commerce settings live. Once you click that icon, a menu pops up. You are going to see a few different options here. Look for the one that says Emails and click on it. This is the hub where Hostinger manages all the automated emails your store sends out. Everything from order confirmations to shipping updates lives right here. Now inside the emails section, you will see a tab across the top that says Email Previews. Click on that. This is the big one. This is the spot where you can actually see a live preview of any email before it goes out to a customer. A list of email types appears. You want to click on the one that says Product Reviews. That will filter everything down to just the review-related emails. So now you can see all the different review prompts you have set up. You will see a sample email titled something like Review Your Order from Sample Coffee Company. Click on that to pull up its settings and preview options. Now this is where the fun starts. Right inside this email preview window, you will see a drop-down menu that lets you choose when this email gets sent. The first option you see is 7 days. Click on that. But we are going to run through all the timing options so you can see how everything feels. Go ahead and click on the 3-day option. That sets the email to go out 3 days after a customer receives their order. Now click on the other 3-day option right next to it. Hostinger actually lets you send 2 separate follow-up reminders, and this is the first one. Next up, find the 14-day option and click on that. This is good for a longer-term follow-up. Then click on the other 14-day option right next to it. That is your second reminder at that 2-week mark. Finally, click on the 30-day option. So now you have set up a whole sequence of review prompts spaced out over a month. But we still need to see how it actually looks. Now find the button that says Preview and click on it. And here is the really cool part. A new window or panel will open up showing you the email exactly as a customer would see it. You can read the subject line, the body text, the product images, everything. Go ahead and click on the prompt that says, How was your order from Sample Coffee Company? That is the call to action your customer clicks on when they are ready to leave a review. It takes you right to the rating screen. And finally, click on the star icon. Actually, go ahead and click on a star, like the 4th or 5th one. You can see exactly how the star rating system appears to your customers. It is a small detail, but getting this right makes a huge difference in how professional your store looks. And that is really all there is to it. Now you know exactly how your product review emails appear at every step of the process, from the initial prompt to the follow-up reminders and even the actual rating screen. You can customize the timing, preview the content, and make sure everything feels polished before you send it out to a single real customer. So go ahead and tweak those emails to your heart is content. You have got full control now. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.